what they got on the lot. RT, TA, GT, and the GT. Y'all know the GTs are the all-wheel drive. Let's see what else. Waldorf Dodge got a lot of trucks up in there. A lot of trucks coming up here on the lot. It's my first time filming the Waldorf Dodge. Yep. So we leave the little man up here to wait for the car for his first time. It's a nice day. Let's go ahead and do that. I saw my man Bear on the way over here driving his Mercedes CL Coupe. He wanted to see what I could do, but I told him I let him live today, kill him another day. Yeah, he got all-wheel drive. I saw the 4MATIC on the back. So of course he'll get me on the takeoff. But y'all know what the cat is famous for doing. Bringing you back home. Eating your lunch. So, little man gonna wait for the truck. I'm gonna go do the runs I gotta do. Be out. One thing I noticed is they don't have no Hellcat red eyes. They only got one Hellcat wide body. They don't really have a huge selection, and that's one of the reasons why I purchased at Coons Tyson's Corner. Because Coons at Tyson's Corner, when I showed up, I want to say they had about 50 red eyes. And the only reason why I didn't get my red eye from them is because, well, I got it from them, but I didn't get it off their lot. And the only reason why I didn't take what they had on the lot is because what they had on the lot, none of them had sunroofs. And I just couldn't go from having a sunroof to not having a sunroof. So I had to make a decision to order it. So what they had on the lot was a little cheaper than what I ordered, but you gotta get what you want in order to be happy. And I wasn't gonna be happy without a sunroof. Some of the things, I did sacrifice a couple of things, but I couldn't sacrifice a sunroof. Sunroof is a must. I really wish that Dodge would do a convertible Hellcat, because if they come out with a convertible Hellcat, you know mine is gone. Sorry to say, I will take that convertible any day. I love convertibles. I would take that convertible.